everyone, I'm Marali Palakat, and today our group will be presenting on the crucial roles of percentages in customs administration. This report aims to show how understanding and applying percentages are fundamental for effective customs operations and aspiring customs officers. For me, a percentage shows a value as a piece of a whole 100. For example, 50% means 50 out of every 100 pieces. In customs administration, percentages are important for many operations. They are directly used to calculate customs duties, where a percentage of the imported goods value determines the tax. Similarly, value-added tax on imports is applied as a percentage of the total value. Percentages also help determine penalties for violations, often as a proportion of the undeclared value or evaded duty. Furthermore, discounts or exemptions on duties and taxes are frequently expressed as percentages, especially under trade agreements. Lastly, percentages are crucial for tracking revenue collection growth, showing changes over time to evaluate performance.
Customs duty rate. This is the ad valorem tax or percentage levied on the value of goods when they cross international borders. It's a primary source of government revenue and a tool for the trade policy. For example, a 10% duty rate means that for every 100 value of goods, 10 will be collected as duty. VAT on imported goods. The value-added tax is a consumption tax applied at various stages, including importation. When goods are imported, VAT is typically calculated as a percentage of the total landed cost, which includes the customs value, duties, and other charges. This ensures that imported goods are taxed similarly to domestically produced goods. Percentage penalty for violations. Penalties for customs offenses such as misdeclaration or undervaluation are frequently structured as a percentage. This provides a clear, scalable consequence for non-compliance, aiming to deter illicit activities and ensure the fair trade practices.
Percentage discount or exemption. These are mechanisms to provide relief or incentives. For example, a free trade agreement might offer a 20% discount on import duties for goods originating from a partner country or certain. Humanitarian aid might be 100% exempt. Tariff comparison. When evaluating different trade agreements or policies, comparing tariff rates which are expressed as percentage is fundamental. It allows for an assessment of the competitiveness and economic impact of various trade scenarios. Revenue collection growth and percentage is monitoring the percentage growth in revenue collection is a key performance indicator for custom agencies. A positive percentage growth indicates increased efficiency, higher trade volumes, or effective enforcement, while a negative percentage may signal challenges.
This time, we'll consider penalty scenarios. So our problem is an importer failed to declare the correct value of goods, resulting in an undervaluation of 50,000. The cost of penalty for undervaluation is set at 20% of undeclared value. So much will be the penalty to be paid. First, identify the given values. Undeclared value of good is 50,000. Custom penalty rate are 20%. Second, we need to understand what need to be calculated. So we need to determine the total penalty amount in the Philippine peso. Third, convert the percentage to a decimal. So to use percentage in a calculation, we need to convert it to a decimal by dividing by 100. So 20%, 20 by 100, 0.20. Calculate the custom penalty. We need multiply the undeclared value by the penalty rate in decimal form. So the custom penalty will be 10,000. So the answer with that, the penalty to be paid for the undervaluation, 10,000.
Now let's address some critical question for customs officer. How does understanding percentage help a future custom officer? Understanding percentage is crucial for accurately calculating data, taxes, and penalties on imported goods, ensuring correct revenue collection. It enables officers to effectively implement trade agreements and apply exemptions. Percentages are vital for interpreting custom data, such as revenue growth and trade statistics. For informed decision-making, this knowledge is also significantly aids in detecting potential fraud by highlighting discrepancies, and furthermore, a strong grasp of percentages facilitates clear communication with stakeholders regarding financial. Ultimately, mastering percentages is fundamental for the efficient, fair, and integral operation for customs.